Well, it's about 8:45 a.m. on Saturday, 8th of August 2020. A little bit of sun coming through. Not going to last long though. The forecast is for a lot of rain over the next couple of days. We've got a little creek goes across our driveway, so that's where it's at the moment. The ground here is pretty saturated. We've had about 20 mil and it's put a little trickle in the creek. But there's a lot more rain forecast over the next couple of days. So I'm wondering what's going to happen. I know they got a minor flood warning for the Queanbeyan River, but I'm thinking maybe it won't be minor. And I'm thinking that's the last time I'm going to see the sun for a couple of days. They're saying up to, what is it, 20 to 50 mil for Canberra today, and 25 to 40 mil tomorrow. And when the rain comes from the east, it's going to be coming from that way. Well, we tend to get a lot more than Canberra when it's like that. And 20 mil has done that to the creek. Usually it takes 2 inches to get the creek running, but the ground is so saturated. And that's our dog. That's Larry. Off getting into mischief. No doubt. Is he going to come over? No. So yeah, blue sky and sunshine for the last time for a while. Well, there could be a little bit for the next few hours, and then the rain comes back, and it's going to come back heavy, judging by the forecast. And yeah, I'm thinking Queanbeyan River, minor flooding. I don't think it's minor. I think it'll be major. Major, major.